Install PayPal app and get paid $15. Install Cash App and earn $20. Install another app and get paid $30, and so on and so forth. You can install gaming apps, social media apps, earning apps, or any other apps you want. And every time you install these apps, you will get paid up to $30 per app you install, and you can make over $1,000 a day if you use all the 5 websites shown in this video. And if you stay until the end of the video, I will give you a bonus website to earn 10 times more money than others. All you need is a smartphone device with an internet connection, which means this can be done from anywhere in the world, and it works in pretty much all countries. Now I am gonna go from the lowest paying website to the highest paying one. So the first app where you can get paid for installing other apps is called AppKarma.io. So this is already the AppKarma.io, but you can search on Google Play Store or App Store for just AppKarma and try to find this logo. And inside the dashboard of this app, you will be able to see all the other apps and games. And next to them, you will see exactly how many points you will earn once you install that specific app. So all you have to do is sign up to this absolutely free app, install it, log in into your brand new account, and you will have a list of all of these apps which you can download. And as you can see, all the different apps which you can download inside of the AppKarma will pay you different amount of points. For example, this one will pay you over 1400 points just to literally click the install button, and you can even delete it after a couple of minutes. They also have some different offers which you can complete, but the easiest one is just by installing different apps, because all you have to do is just click install, wait for a couple of minutes, and you can redeem your points. You can choose to cash out your earnings through PayPal or other gift cards if you want to. Now if you're wondering how much it's gonna take you to make at least $10 with this website, well, for $10 in PayPal money, you would need 12,500 points, which is approximately around 10 different apps which you would need to install, which if you think about it, isn't a lot at all, because all you have to do is just click the install button, wait for a couple of minutes, and repeat that process 10 times until you have enough points to cash out $10 in PayPal money. Before we move further, like this video if you are enjoying it, and give it a big thumbs up. Okay, so the second platform is called ysense.com, and here you have loads of different ways to make money online, but today we will be focusing specifically on downloading apps because that's one of the easiest ways to make money online. They've also partnered up with many big companies. I did a lot of research on all the different platforms which I will share with you today, and people are just loving the amount of money they are making with them. Here, you have multiple earning options, so downloading apps is just one of them. You can of course complete the different paid surveys, you can sign up to websites, you can watch videos and make money doing that, and many more. So all you have to do is come over to ysense.com and join now by entering your email address and by creating specific password for your account. After that, just hit join now and you can get access to all of the different apps which you can download, and each time you download an app you will get paid in real money. Now, if you want to maximize your results with this website, then I highly recommend you check out their referral program because they pay over 30% commissions for a lifetime, which means if you have some friends and family that you think would benefit from this website, if you know someone that loves making money online, you can grab your referral link for ysense.com, send them your referral link, and if they start making money, you will earn 30% of their lifetime earnings. So, if they make $1,000 with ysense, you will earn $300 in pure passive income, and that's just from one single referral. The more you refer, the more passive income you will make with this. Third platform, which will actually pay you even more money, is called getpaid2.com. And the good thing about this website is you will get paid to install games on your smartphone device, so it's something that we probably do every single day. And now, you will get paid to install those absolutely free apps and to install those absolutely free games. You of course have different earning options like completing surveys, completing quick tasks, and completing different online offers. But all of those will take a lot more time and effort and are just not that worth it as downloading apps, because downloading apps really requires just 2 or 3 minutes and you can get paid really quickly. So, come over to getpaid2.com, click on join free today, sign up for absolutely free, and start installing those games. And you can cash out $1 by earning 5,000 points, which means in order to earn $10 for this website, you would need 50,000 points. But don't worry, because they pay a lot more points per app you install and per game which you install. And the best part is that they have multiple payment options including bank transfer, Skrill, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, different gift cards, and of course PayPal money. So, just register yourself and start earning money. Now, the fourth platform to make money installing absolutely free apps is called PriceRebel.com. PriceRebel is my favorite one because it pays you instantly, so you don't have to wait around at all. You can sign up in 5 seconds, install a few apps and get paid instantly. You can get paid through PayPal and other payment methods available here, like different gift cards including a Visa gift cards, Amazon gift cards, and Walmart gift cards. And I think it works in most countries, but you can check this in your country by creating a free account on this website. But anyways, you sign up for free and start installing couple of apps and you can start making money from today itself. Over 12 million people are using this website, so you know it's a good one because a lot of people are using it on a daily basis, and they've paid out over $2.5 million in cash and rewards since 2007. So they've been online for a while, and it's a legit website. It has been reviewed by Trustpilot and Survey Police, and it has great reviews on the website. You can see all the testimonials of people that have been making money with Prize Rebels. So just sign up to Prize Rebel by using your Google or Facebook account and start making big money online. So now, the fifth platform is called FeaturePoints.com. This is already FeaturePoints.com. It's available for both App Store and Google Play Store. Just go over to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for FeaturePoints, find this type of logo, and install this app to your device. But in case you don't want to use your smartphone device for this, you can just come over to their website through a laptop or a computer, sign up right here, and start installing those apps for absolutely free. On FeaturePoints, you will be able to earn money with different earning options, but downloading apps is one of the best ones. You can try free games and apps to earn points, and the reason I really love FeaturePoints is because not only does it pay the most amount of money, but it's also going to offer you some apps that would normally cost you real money. Apps that are normally paid apps, for which you would need to spend real money. They will give those apps to you for absolutely free. Moreover, they will pay you for installing them. Just try the app for a few minutes, and you'll be credited. And after a couple of minutes, you can delete the app forever. You will still keep earning money. You can also make money by referring someone to this website. You will earn 10% of their earnings for lifetime in pure passive income. And yes, they do have PayPal and many other payment options available worldwide. So just come over to FeaturePoints.com, sign up for absolutely free, and you can start making money. I do want to show you proof that I have made quite a bit of money with this website. So as you can see, I have earned over 300,000 points again, and I have already redeemed some cash with this website. But for these points, I can get paid over $500 just with this one single platform called FeaturePoints.com. So this has a potential, and it works really well. And now the bonus website where you can make $30 per app is called theplugco.in. This website, The Plug, can easily monetize your following. People are making a lot of money with this website, and you can make $1,000 to even $5,000 in a day. Some people are making over $200 a day with this app alone, so it pays really a lot. The way this works is, you can install this Plug app, and inside of the app, you can grab referral links for other apps. You can then promote those referral links, and whenever someone installs that specific app, you will get paid specific amount of money per app installed. Choose an app to promote, post it on your socials, and you will get paid. Some people are literally making over 6 figures just with this app alone. It has a huge potential, but it's a lot different than the previous 5 apps that I showed you in this video, because it will not pay you to install the app directly, but you will need to promote those apps so other people can install it through your referral link, and that way, you will get paid. It works so well, it pays really fast, and using this app, you can easily make $30 per app. That's it for today, and if you want to make even more money, then click on the video showing on the right side.